From sunrise fields to the setting glow, there's a smarter way to help things grow. From land prep tools to planting rows, Tractorco's here and progress shows. Irrigation, weeding, cultivating too. High quality machines that work for you. Harvesting time, we're ready to go. Feed and waste management, smooth and pro. Imported from the UK, Europe, Brazil. Strong and steady, built with skill for dairy farms and livestock too. Tractorco makes your work feel new. Experience easy farming with Tractorco today. Farm mechanization, machinery leads the way. From sugar cane to cassava, banana to more. Tractorco brings power right to your door. Hey, 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 hey. Pineapple fields in a wide green land with modern tools right in your hand. Less hard labor, more time to grow. With Tractorco, you're in control. Strong for work and built to last, helping every farmer move ahead fast. From morning light till the work is done, farming feels easier, farming feels fun. Plant, prepare, and harvest right with Tractorco by your side in every fight. Progress rolls on, wheel by wheel, with machines you trust and